We're going to have fun today. We are doing a slightly controversial breakfast power bowl. You could have it for breakfast. You could have it for lunch. You could have it for dinner. And I'm saying it's controversial because these are ingredients I've never actually had together before. And a bunch of people comment, oh, Ryan, you got to try these certain ingredients together. They're delicious. So I'm going to try it for you live and I'm going to give you my honest opinion if it's good and if this makes it into a rotation. And we're going to make this fast. There's no baking. It's just going to take about 30 seconds or so. And at the end, we're going to turn this to a meal you could take on the go because who has time to sit around and eat out of a bowl? Let's go. All right. So ingredient number one, I always like to start off each meal with a protein. So our protein today, breakfast bowl, what do you think it's going to be? Put in the comments below. Of course, it's going to be an egg. So we're going to be going hard-boiled eggs. You could obviously boil them in water. I like little gadgets like this little dash thing. You can make 7 at a time and it's easy. Or you could do the really convenient thing. You buy pre-packaged hard-boiled eggs, rip it open. If you rip it open, that's what happens when I do this stuff live. All right, so I'm just going to take these 2 hard-boiled eggs, put them into the bowl, and then just give it a good smash. So ingredient number 2 is where we're going to start getting controversial. Because I used to use a lot of mayonnaise and I stopped having mayonnaise. And then recently I discovered the power of cottage cheese. Of course, I have one sarcastic comment who was like, you never heard of cottage cheese? Of course I've heard of cottage cheese. I just never thought of using it with things like eggs or tuna or salmon. And now I have, even at 53, you can always learn new things. But today I'm trying something new with the eggs. And we're going, ladies and gentlemen, with yogurt. That's right. Here's, we've got Greek non-fat yogurt. This one is from Trader Joe's. And I'm a little nervous. The cottage cheese, I got it. It made sense. And yogurt on its own, I love yogurt. Big fatty yogurt. But I've never had yogurt with things like eggs or tuna. But we're going to try it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, and this is plain, by the way. This isn't flavored vanilla. It's just plain Greek yogurt. I'm just going to start with 1 tablespoon and mix it in together. All right. I'm actually going to do another like half tablespoon. That's the thing. You can always start with less and add more. All right. Add a little bit more, but you never want to put so much on because then you can't take it. So, I mean, this is going to be the basics of the bowl. But now, before I add a few more ingredients, I'm going to taste it for the first time just with these 2 things. I didn't add salt. I didn't add pepper. I didn't add any seasoning. But I'm going to try now with just the eggs and the Greek yogurt to see how this combination works well. I'm hoping it works well, but again, I'm going to give you my true feelings. Here we go. I got to say, that's good. That is good. Do I like it? Look, I'm going to be completely transparent. Does it taste as good as eggs with mayonnaise or even eggs with cottage cheese? I don't think so. I do taste the yogurt coming through a little bit, and I do love yogurt. Would I have this again? Absolutely. But I would probably go with the eggs with the cottage cheese first. But this is really good. And I had one person recently comment, well, what if I can't have dairy? There's a lot of yogurt alternatives. Yogurt made with coconut milk and almond milk. So there's a lot of other options, which I haven't tried, but I'll try those in future recipes because that's the beauty of it with these simple ingredients. Not because we want to make this a really crazy, delicious bowl. What we're going to do is you can make bacon. This is not the healthiest thing in the world, but you can eat well and clean 90% of the time. You're doing well. So instead of bacon, I'm going to put a couple of bacon bits in here because this is a breakfast bowl, and why not? And if a couple little bacon bits get you loving the meal, you have this instead of going to a donut shop for breakfast or for a snack, then that's great. And then you want to have a little bit, add a little bit of fat. I'm throwing a little bit of cheese. I like mozzarella to mix. So in about 30 seconds, you've got the hard-boiled eggs. You've got a little bit of the Greek yogurt. I added some bacon bits and a little bit of cheese to make it more of a like breakfasty, savory kind of thing without cooking. I'm curious, have you ever tried eggs with yogurt before, mixed in together? Tell me, yes or no. And are you willing to give this a shot? I like it. Do I love it? Am I running home to make this again? Probably not. But would I add this to a rotation, especially if I'm just looking for things in the pantry and the fridge? Absolutely. Now, as I said earlier, sometimes you're busy, you're on the run, you don't have time to have a bowl and sit down. Well, for a wrap, I love these. They're not a sponsor. I've been really loving these. These are egg white wraps. You could wrap it up. Throw this in the microwave for about 10 seconds. You pick out an egg white wrap, wrap this baby up, and you're good to go. And you've got a little wrap, or you've got a bowl here. You've got a lot of protein between the eggs and the yogurt. Again, you can substitute with dairy-free yogurt. And I threw some bacon bits in here. with a little bit of cheese, and I've got a meal. So I hope you enjoy this. And if you like this, do me a favor, just hit subscribe. It takes 2 seconds, just subscribe, and you won't miss a single video. And speaking more amazing, delicious bowls you get to see me try for the first time, check out this one.